The business community has renewed calls for the clearing of pending bills and ring-fencing public tenders for local firms, warning that delayed payments and limited access to public contracts is straining small and medium-sized businesses. Public Investments and Asset Management Principal Secretary Cyrell Odede says measures are being taken to introduce a more predictable payment timelines to restore confidence among suppliers.
Outstanding bills owed by government agencies estimated at over 700 billion shillings are said to be choking business cash flows, leaving thousands of Kenyan entrepreneurs struggling to stay afloat.
We'd like to urge National Treasury to prioritize funding of Kenya Development Corporation, Kenya Industrial Estates, government ring-fence contracts of up to 5 billion for local companies and local firms, and not just in supplies, but in locked contracts. In the PPP programs that you're running, we'd also want to see the participation of local companies, especially in getting subcontracts.
The government says measures are being taken to clear the backlog as well as introduce predictable payment timelines for suppliers.
Government has taken deliberate steps to resolving this challenge, and we recently released 255 billion, and this is a clear signal of our commitment.
That enabling environment has to be created by government. So if we are able to ensure as government that the enabling environment works for our business people, then business will prosper.
There are also proposals to ring-fence about 5 billion shillings worth of public contracts for local businesses.
The proposal for ring-fence contracts up to 5 billion for local firms, it is under active policy consideration to ensure that it delivers value without compromising competitiveness.
He says strengthening procurement frameworks and enhancing transparency, particularly under public-private partnerships, will help reduce the fiscal deficit while supporting the growth of local enterprises. Business leaders say supporting SMEs starts with faster payments and fair access to tenders. The challenge now is delivering these commitments to ensure that businesses remain afloat. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition, Nairobi.